Alright, I'm here today to show you how to remove a main motor bearing out of a Generation 2 Bosch motor. It's the bearing that's right in this groove here that you hear growling when it goes bad. This is a separate unit that I'm still going to repair. So what I've done is I've taken this one that I've already punched out, but I'm going to show you again how I punched it out by placing it on two 2x4s with a rag underneath to protect the gear when I tap it out. This area in here is reinforced and this area here is reinforced. So I have laid this on those two spots to keep it as flat as possible. Now what I do is I take a piece of wood and a rubber mallet and hit it. Pops out very easily. Now either the bearing's going to stay inside the form or the bearing's going to be stuck on the gear. If the bearing's stuck on the gear, you will need to use a puller such as this puller right here that will remove that bearing. If the bearing is stuck in the cover, you can tap it out with a punch, but you're going to need to tap it back in. So I have bought this special adapter, got it from London, England, and what you do is you stick it in this side, put it back on your bench, and give this a tap, and your bearing's out. And now what you see is this here, when you put the bearing back in, you could tap a new bearing back in. You put it on the other side of this tool. You stick it in here. You can either tap it in or put it in a press it in, and then take this unit right here and press that in, and boom, you've replaced the main motor bearing. Not that hard if you have the right tools, and if you can't pull your motor, you shouldn't be trying this, and that's why I showed you with the part removed. Have a great day. Good luck. Bye-bye.